In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick hack on how you can insert checkboxes on your spreadsheet using Google Sheets with your iPhone. So here in the Google Sheets app on the iPhone, you can't actually have any data validation or insert any type of checkbox whatsoever on your spreadsheet. But if you were using an Android, you can definitely do that. So with your iPhone, if you want to insert some checkboxes or some drop-down lists or any other data validation, you can definitely do that by just opening the Google Chrome, then opening Google Sheets. Let's go ahead and do that. Open your Google Chrome app. Type in sheets.new. And once you do that, this is what's going to appear. Now, this is not the version that we want. We want it in desktop view or in desktop version. So we can definitely do that by just tapping on the ellipses at the bottom right corner. If we scroll up, you'll see Request Desktop Site. If we tap on it, here we have our spreadsheet in desktop view or in desktop version. Now it will suggest that you get the app. Although you already have the app, again, there are a lot of limitations of what we can do, and inserting a checkbox is one of them. Close everything else, go back to the Sheets right here. Tap on that Sheets icon at the top left corner so that you can open the file that you want to insert that checkbox in. So let's say I'm going to tap on this spreadsheet right here. And here we have it. It's already opened. And if I want to insert, let's say, a checkbox next to these movies, just so I can make a checklist on the movies that I have already watched. So I'm just going to select the cells where I need those checkboxes. Let's say we need it up until there. Then go to Insert in the menu bar. Then select Checkbox. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted those checkboxes. Now, if I go back to my Sheets app and select the movies file right here, there you have it. You've successfully added those checkboxes in your spreadsheet using your iPhone. So this is just a way around it, especially when you're working on a spreadsheet and you need to add some data validation. That's one way to do it. And there you have it. That's your quick hack on how you can insert a checkbox on your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets using your iPhone. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.